let's see here. Yes, a little water, please. Oh, good. Interesting. Oh, very interesting.
What?
He has the hiccups.
I know that. How can I get rid of them?
Well, the truth is, Toad Hog, hiccups just have to go away by themselves. But it's nothing to worry about.
Well, that's terrific, but all our traffic lights still have no power. And Toad Hog's the only one who can fix it.
Well, unless you know another way to power the lights, you'll just have to wait until Toad Hog's hiccups go away.
Another way. That's it. Come on, everybody. I have an idea.
What are you doing hanging around like that, Toad Hog? Get it? Hanging around?
Hanging around. Oh, that's very funny.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup!
Voila!
Hiccup!
Hiccup power. Or another way to fix the lights.